Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Reading Article. So before starting today's topic, subscribe my channel and like the video. My today's topic is benefits of online education. Students have the freedom to juggle their careers and school because they are not tied down to a fixed schedule. In a traditional classroom setting, class meeting times are set and the student has no power over this, forcing them to work their schedules around these dates. Most of the people who choose online learning tend to have other commitments and prefer this mode of learning as it gives them power over how they will delegate their time towards their different projects. Benefits of online education. Number 2, reduce the cost and flexibility. Online education can cost less due to a variety of reasons. For example, there is no cost for commuting. Assorted costs then are related to transport such as fuel, parking, car maintenance and public transportation. Also, cost does not affect the online student. Number 3, networking opportunities. Online education also provides students with the chance to network with peers across nations or even different continents. This often leads to the other opportunities in terms of collaboration with other individuals in the implementation of a project. At the same time, it also makes them culturally sensitive and able to fit into other environments easily given their exposure to the other cultures. Number 4, documentation. All the information that you will need will be safely stored in an online database. This also includes things like live discussion, documents, training materials and emails. This means that if there's ever anything that needs to be clarified, the student will be able to access these documents fast, saving valuable time. This is especially useful for the individuals that need to carry out research for a project and submit their findings to a panel. Number 5, increase the instructor, that is student time. Students in traditional classrooms may not get the personalized attention they need to have concepts clarified. Although class sizes are small at CCA, most colleges have classes of students that number in the children's, and this is not a problem for this type of education because online guided discussions and personal talk time with their professors and lecturers is a hallmark of the online classes. This also increases the chances of a student performing well due to the time their instructors give them. This also enhances their problem solving and communication skills as well as knowing how to defend their arguments to the superiors if they need it. Number 6, access to expertise. An online college education might give the students access to specialized degree courses that may not be available in an easily accessible or local institution of learning. Online classes allow the sharing of expertise that helps more people have access to education that is not readily available in the certain geographic locations. This type of education has grown over the last few years and has experienced mainstream acceptance. With an online class, you get to control your learning environment, which ultimately helps you to develop a deeper understanding of your degree or course. New models of learning are always springing up in the market, providing students with variety of opportunities to fashion their education into something that fits them, not the other way around. It also provides individuals an opportunity to finish a degree they might have started and were unable to continue with for one reason or another. The future of online degree education looks promising and opens up education to a larger section of the population than ever before. So thank you guys for listening this speech. Support my channel.